These how to 1 minute will show you how to cancel GoDaddy domain and how to delete the domain. Log into your GoDaddy account and come to this My Product page. Here, I want to cancel and delete this domain. So I'm clicking on DNS. Once you are in DNS management page, click on domain settings. Before cancelling or deleting the domain, make sure to disable auto renew option. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom. Under advanced section, you will get delete domain option. So click on it. Check this box, click on continue, and that's how you will be able to delete or cancel your GoDaddy domain. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.